Hi there, Finovate. I'm Ryan Caldwell. I'm the founder and CEO of MoneyDesktop, and this is Matt West, our VP of Sales. Our goal at MoneyDesktop is not just solve smaller convenience problems here and there, but it's to tie critical solutions together that move the biggest needle to a financial institution, loan volume. Everything else is either supportive to that end goal or ancillary at best. There are certain inevitabilities that each industry goes through from time to time. Like the rise of PFM, these inevitabilities are often hyped too early, initially fall short of expectations, are often even written off, and then months to years later, they quickly and suddenly fulfill their promise. The promise of PFM is not yet realized, but is inevitable. We are on the precipice of a monumental shift in this industry that dwarfs what happened to the bookstores and the travel agents. We know this. We know this because it is crazy for a user to not have a central place to get a complete and up-to-date picture of their finances. Our children will one day laugh at the fact that we didn't have this in times past. The adoption percentages of engagement of PFM may have seemed small in years past, but that is quickly changing. Every day, more and more users are setting up camp at a PFM, entering all of their account data, customizing their spending categories, setting up their budgets, setting up their goals, etc. Those are deep roots. Deeper than bill pay or any technology we have seen thus far in financial services. The financial institution that controls that end user's hub will have a complete picture of the loan volume and revenue they are missing out on. You need to be that hub. And here today, we're going to show you one of the ways we're going to help get you there. This is our brand new iPad app. As with our desktop app, our desktop solution, our iPad app, we have focused on and achieved an unmatched user experience. At the core of our PFM is industry-leading account aggregation technology. This new approach to aggregation is the fundamental bedrock of our PFM and key to making you the hub. Upon that foundation, we approach every aspect of the user interface with the account holder as a central focus. This philosophy puts the financial institution in an optimal position to continually drive greater account aggregation, stimulate account holder adoption, and drive critical engagement through online and mobile banking channels. We will never stop challenging the status quo of PFM so that we can ensure the best and most meaningful experience to account holders. Our drive to create the best platform available to banks and credit unions has already moved the needle when it comes to user adoption. The industry is targeting adoption rates of 10 to 15%. MoneyDesktop's financial institutions have already achieved PFM adoption rates as high as 65% in less than a year. Already, 22 of the roughly 50 online banking providers in the U.S. have chosen MoneyDesktop as their integrated PFM, and that number grows monthly. They knew they needed the best solution, and it could not be delayed at all. If you are not providing that rich of a user experience for your users to select you as their hub, that account holder is being lost to a competitor right now. With the data that hub provides a competitor, one by one, their accounts will surely follow. Above you will see one of our management dashboards that can show key metrics over time. From our PFM launch less than 2 years ago, we have signed more than 270 financial institutions and grown to approximately 23% of the total installed PFMs in the industry. Our commitment to the best user experience possible has not only created that success, but has also led to some great partnerships. It is my pleasure today to announce that after several years of searching for the best PFM, vetting all the PFM providers in the industry, Visa has selected MoneyDesktop to be the PFM provider for their prepaid card programs. Visa knew that we understood the full picture of PFM. We were a year ahead of any other provider. We had a clear vision of how PFM was going to evolve and what technologies it needed to be coupled with. If you are a prepaid card program and you are lucky enough to have partnered with a forward-thinking company like Visa, you can implement and go live with our PFM now. We are also very excited to continue to evolve PFM by seamlessly linking the most important new technologies to it. One of those new technologies is properly implemented and PFM-linked deals. Not just any deals, but highly relevant, targeted, intelligent, and adapting deals. We have been planning and working on deals since the founding of MoneyDesktop, and we are proud today to allow you to take a look at our newest product. When I open up my Deals app, I see stacks of offers. These have been individually tailored to me for my transactional data. So let's go ahead and flip through the stack of deals. So right there I've got Thai food, that's one of my favorites. Mexican food's pretty good too. I do love Indian. Juicy hamburger, that's exactly my style. That's what I was feeling. They're willing to give me 70% cash back today. They know I eat hamburgers a lot, but I haven't been to the restaurant yet. I see that Holy Grill is right around the corner. It's perfect, I'm sold. I activate the deal, and the app recognizes that I'm a first-time user and gives me a quick overview of deals in 4 simple steps. First, activate the deal. Second, use any credit card or debit card. Third, pay at the register, regular price at the register. Fourth, your cash back is automatically in your account before you have even gotten your food. So it sounds great to me. Go on to the next step. The app tells me the merchant is willing to give me a little extra if I share the deal. Well, I was already thinking about eating with Matt and Dave, so I share the deal with them and save even more. Sharing the deal automatically spreads the app. 2 other people now get their deals, their own deals in their own app, and the viral nature of the sharing continues from there. So I want to take a minute and put deals in context for a financial institution, not just the end user. Deals is an accelerator to PFM. Although less powerful to a financial institution than PFM, it has the ability to be a lead-in and then driver of PFM adoption. The built-in gamification and social nature of properly implemented deals makes them spread virally. By tightly coupling deals with PFM, a financial institution can cast a fast-moving and broad net over not only all of its users, but even new users it would like to acquire. Deals drive PFM adoption. PFM creates the hub, and finally the financial institution uses that hub to migrate loan volume to them. That is a path for you to become the new primary financial institution of that user. The selection of the right PFM partner is absolutely key to a financial institution's long-term success. Whether you are an online banking provider, a financial institution, or a merchant, you need to be talking to us, and we're here to help you. Thank you.